and we decided last minute to have a few people over. So I overnighted a bunch of random party host things from Amazon. I did also get stuff with my grocery order from Walmart. I am low-key kind of irritated with Amazon though, because I ordered these charcuterie boards. I'll leave a picture right here because they're so cute. They were supposed to be here today and now they're not coming until the 12th. It'll be too late by then. But we are having Jace's birthday party next week, so I could probably use them then. But yeah, I have a ton of boxes, so let me grab those and an extra drink of my wine. It's a lot, but in my defense, it was a few things that we kind of already needed. So I just used this little party as an excuse to go ahead and order it because I've been putting it off. I called Josh in here to help me open up these boxes. He hasn't seen anything that I've ordered yet. First thing in the box is not even mine, it's Josh's. See, I'm not the only one who shops Amazon all the time. Dextrose, what is that?
Basically for working out, this is like the good sugar that you need to replace your body with.
Oh. Ooh, pillowcases. I got new pillowcases because I have a couple in the closet that are really nice pillow inserts. So I ended up getting these. There's like a little brown clear bag over there.
This one?
Yeah. I got those just like plain leather ones because I really liked this print, but I was just feeling overwhelmed with all the other options on Amazon. Those look good together. So that's our welcome mat. We needed a new welcome mat after Christmas. I still had our Christmas one there, and it's up until like last week. So I went with the spring one. And at Walmart, with our grocery order, I got this little flag. It goes with the spring theme. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
They had a couple different designs. I like that. And then I have like a black and white striped like layered rug that's out there right now. I think it'll be cute. I'm excited about this lamination kit, but it's also a tint. Maybe I'll try that out tomorrow or Monday. I need to dye my roots this week too. This is actually for spray tan. Remember that spray tan machine that we got? Someone left a comment saying maybe it'll work on just like a spritzer. So I wanted to try it, but I bought a cute little spray bottle. It looks like a champagne bottle. Oh, those are the mixing bowls I got. Oh, I wish they were bigger. So they have wooden lids that you can also like lay on the counter and use as a cutting board. Came with the spoon and fork, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bowls. Super cute. And then since I went with the black bowl at Walmart, I got these little black trays that I thought would be cute for charcuterie. At Walmart, I did also find this jar. I actually ordered a bundle of flowers from Walmart with our grocery order, and Josh was like, why did you buy your own flowers? He was a little offended, but I bought them so I could put in this little thing.
Flowers?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
But it's also a candle holder. I just wanted something to put flowers in because I know I'm going to get a good bouquet for Valentine's, right?
Yeah, you are.
I also saw this little 3-piece container and I thought it was smaller. So I was thinking about putting forks, knives, and spoons in here. But since it's so big, I'll probably just put solo cups and then like all the forks and knives here. And then when you go to Kroger, I'll have you grab some napkins. I also got this muddler too because I'm actually making guac. And
guacamole!
and it's easier to mash up with a muddler. We can also use this on mixed drinks too.
This is my comb.
I was missing this one for the longest time and I found it upstairs in the kids' bathroom. So you could take that because I found my comb.
Oh, staggers.
I still have all the groceries over there, but I'll worry about that tomorrow. I'm just gonna actually go ahead and put these flowers together. I don't know if it's gonna be enough flowers, but if it's not, then I'll just tell Josh to grab some at Kroger because he does have to run to Kroger for some of his recipes. I'm gonna fill this with some water. My best friend who used to work in the wedding industry told me that if you put ice in your flowers, it'll make them last longer. So I'm gonna add some ice. And also, I heard that the flower food is bad for flowers. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be enough for this. Can you even see it?
Yeah, you're gonna need way more flowers than that.
Yeah, I'll just have to grab some tomorrow.
I was planning on it.
I'm actually gonna cut them pretty short. I'm new to this fresh flowers thing. Josh took a class in high school on floral arrangements, didn't you, babe?
I did.
So he's actually better at this than me.
I said all the tasks because I was capping
I know, but you still got like education on it. We're pretty much ready for the Super Bowl. I have this bouquet of flowers right here. Turned out so cute. Josh did so good when he went to Kroger. Over here, I have our little buffet set up. Josh and the boys ended up getting this football balloon. So that's what it's looking like. These are the little mini weenies stuffed with cheese and bacon and then topped with a little barbecue mixture that Josh did. We got a little cheese board. I got it pre-packaged at Sam's and then I bought some of that boarskin cheese. If you haven't tried that, you need to because it's so good. We got some little turkey rolls, poppers, which I also found pre-made at Sam's. Saved me so much time. I also did dessert over here. Look how cute. This little tray right here came from my FabFitFun. Open these lids for me. There's some salsa.
Wait, is that salsa?
Yep, salsa. Guacamole.
Oh, you want me
I
to?
had to grab this bowl at Kroger. Oh, our trays came in. Remember I told you that they were not going to get here till Tuesday? But they made it in time. I tried to make this look like a football too. How cute is that? Got some ranch, some chips, and then this is the spinach artichoke dip. And then I put limes from enchiladas, forks and spoons, napkins that I have left over from Braden's birthday, and then some solo cups. What is that?
A mustard ketchup gun.
Do we
Like a
try
tailgate.
ketchup and mustard or a concert? Do we try?
We will here when we eat.
It's funny, we have Instagram
want
versus
some.
reality.
God, I
Yeah, I know.
want
It looks so good. These bowls ended up being perfect. How about that game? Actually, I didn't watch the ending. I had to lay down with the kids to put them to bed for school. So I missed the entire overtime portion, but honestly, I wasn't paying that much attention to the game. I did watch the Usher show, and how about Alicia Keys coming out? Not gonna lie, I have been watching all the TikToks of Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce at the after parties. That's been my guilty pleasure. I watched the Travis Kelce reality show that he had. It was like a bachelor style where he picked a girlfriend, and I was so mad at him because he picked the mean girl. So I've known about Travis Kelce for a long time. Of course, Josh has always been like, he's like the best tie-in, but he's made up for it by picking Taylor Swift. I'm actually not even that big of a Taylor Swift fan. I was when she first came out with her country album. Oh my God, I know all the words. But anyways, now that my hair is brushed out, I'm ready to do these roots, which they're about like an inch grown out now. I'm just gonna go in with the same color that I've been using. This is the light golden brown number 54 color silk hair dye, and I just picked this one up with my grocery delivery order. I always love the conditioners that come in the box dyes. Now I'm just gonna mix this. I'm sure you know the drill. You just pour this one in here, shake it all up. I do actually have these gloves that fit me a little better, but the box does come with some gloves. I just like these because there's not as much room, and so I can work with the dye better. I'm just gonna part in the middle and do just a line of dye. And then I have this brush, so I'm just gonna brush it on. That way it blends out. I'm going to do a little section. Oops. sure I'm getting in my hairline. And then I'm just gonna go all the way down. I really like this brush. I think I got this in a PR box like a long time ago, but I'll try to find one similar on Amazon because when you're doing your roots, it is actually really helpful. I don't really have a haul video to film this week. I might actually just focus on painting my office because I've been wanting to do the lime wash for a while. I do need to start shopping Amazon for spring though. For the bottom, I think I'm just gonna do it how I normally do it when I'm dyeing my whole head of hair, and that's just squeezing it into my roots. You can kind of feel where it is because it's on her scalp. The bottom of my head doesn't matter as much, so I'm not too worried about it. I think I got my whole head covered. I have still about half the bottle left over, so that worked out well. I'm just gonna clip it up. I'll probably end up leaving it for about 20-30 minutes. I'm gonna do a brow lamination. This one says it's a 5-in-1 lash and brows. And it also has a tint kit, which I thought about using my Revlon Color Silk, but it would lighten my brows, and I don't know if I want to lighten my brows. In the box, it has instructions, these little stickers, which I'm not sure what these are for, some eye patches, 5 lash brushes, 10 lip brushes, 1 eyebrow knife, 3 wide brushes, 5 size lift pads, 1 eyebrow brush, 10 cotton swabs, 1 eyeliner brush, 1 long wide brush, 3 gloves, 1 small spoon, and aluminum stickers. It also has the film to cover the lamination. I'm guessing these right here with the pump are the tint. What I'm gonna do is just take the glue on one of the spoolies, use it to brush up my brow. This is usually my easier brow. Dang, I might use this for my makeup. That worked so quick. This is my more difficult brow. See how my hairs go down? That's why I like to do lamination, because most of my brow products get flaky. Just press everything down, make sure it's really stuck in place. I went ahead and just let the glue dry down a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with step number 1. And I'm just taking it on this little fuzzy applicator.
I can't eat jelly without cheese.
There's cheese in there.
No, there didn't. I can feel it.
Okay, hang on, let me finish this.
Okay, Mama.
That girl loves her cheese. You love your cheese, Ellie? Trust me, I get it. I love cheese too. Then I'm just gonna take the film, place it over. Sometimes it's easier if you do brow by brow. And I'm gonna go get Ellie some cheese in her spaghetti. I'll set like a 10-minute timer. It's been 10 minutes. I'm kind of nervous I'm gonna get hot root, not gonna lie. I was just looking at my process and it does look like it's lightening, but I can't tell if it's lightening all the way. We're just gonna leave it because I'm stuck doing this. Fingers crossed my results come out okay. I'm just gonna brush this up again. Taking number 2. I don't think that I'm going to tint my brows. I think I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then get in the shower because I am a little bit nervous. We can always tint them after applying the film. It's kind of a mess, but it's all right. I just got done getting ready and oh my gosh, I'm so in love with the results of my hair. It came out so good. I freak out for no reason still. And I've been doing my hair on my own for years, but yeah, I'm very happy with these results. And I feel like I'm having a great hair day, which I actually ended up using my Amazon blow dryer that's like an 8-in-1. I like this one because the round brush is actually smaller than my shark one, and it gives me a nice nice curl on the end. I definitely feel like it's making my layered haircut and my bangs look so good. So this might be my new go-to blow dryer. I have been using my Shark one, but the attachment that I have on the Shark that's a round brush is like an oversized round brush, and my hair just ends up being straight. I did a full review on this Amazon one, which it does also have the automatic curlers too, and it's like 120 bucks. So it's really not a bad purchase if you're wanting a blow dryer like this. It also has a regular blow dryer attachment and a root attachment and a flat brush if you do want it to be straight, and even a diffuser if you have curly hair, which I don't have curly hair, but Ellie does, and she finally started letting me use these on her hair, and it blows out her curls so good. And I love that it has the rhinestone details. Oh, I almost forgot, my brows are looking so good. I didn't end up tinting them because I kind of ran out of time. I do want to tint them soon though, so I will do that in another vlog. The kids are here, so I'm gonna run and get them ready for Jace's program tonight. Y'all are singing Disney songs? What's your favorite song you're singing tonight?
I think it's gotta be the Mickey Mouse one.
Ooh.
Wait, what's in that box?
Your birthday present? Get out of here. You look great. I'm so excited. Anyways, don't mind my mess over here. We are running out the door now, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up button if you want to see more vlogs like this. We gotta go. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.